The back, the back, the back. Alright guys, let us see if she can win something, right? Right. Hello.
Hi.
Hello man. How you doing? Watch when the cat jump on her a while ago like the cat I say, where you going? Alright, so you don't mind if I tell people my name?
No.
Alright. Robin, say hi to the folks of me.
Hi, everyone.
Alright, so guys, Robin here have our heavy package. I guess I'm going to have to help you and bring it inside, right?
Definitely.
Alright, cool. Anyways, Robin, I am here to give you a free shipping coupon. Would you like it?
Sure.
Alright guys, she said she wanted the coupon. You got a partner right. So wait, you follow us on social media?
I do.
Alright, you see it, you follow up on social media so she know what's going on. Guys, remember, we are on social media. You need to follow us because every now and then we'll give a free coupon on social media. Here? Anyways. Alright, so here is the hard part. You need to choose one of these envelopes. Which one of them have in the prize, which one don't have in the prize. Choose the one with the prize. Na, 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 na.
This.
She chose this one, guys. Oh my word. Let's see. Oh, jeez. Robin. Guys, she won a free shipping coupon. Give me a happy dance. You see the happy dance? Alright guys, catch you later. Remember, follow us on social media. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. Join us today. You know what's my freeness? Robin, let's go. Robin, you really go. Come for your package. Alright, thank you. That was beautiful.